Hello, everyone. While the main purpose of a stop-loss point is to limit losses, a decision made by cwRadar protected profits rather than limiting losses. In our most recent trade, we saw just how powerful cwRadar is. At this point, with the price continuously being rejected, I think moving the stop-loss was the right move. We invite you to watch our YouTube video for more details.
I'd like to thank Osel for letting me take the floor. Hello, everyone. Today, a new trade opportunity came up for COTI, and we hit a stop-loss. But don't worry, this stop-loss didn't result in a loss for us. First of all, the COTI signal was sent to all groups except the mini group. You can compare our packages in the plans category on our website. Now let's get back to the topic at hand. The signal came at approximately 4:40 p.m. To do this, let's first copy the entry price value from here and go back to our chart. Here, I'm placing the long template and entering the entry price value. Then, I do the same for the other data points. As you can see in the first few minutes, COTI tried to give us a heart attack. However, we had to trust cwRadar and just wait. Just before it hit the stop-loss level, cwRadar was insistently saying, "Buy." After that, we saw that cwRadar was right, and COTI quickly recovered and began to rise. A short time later, around 8 p.m., cwRadar raised the stop-loss level. Let's note that right away. Then, about 40 minutes later, COTI hit the newly set stop-loss level and the position closed. COTI generated a total return of 13.4% for us with 10 times leverage. This allowed us to offset the losses incurred from SAND and TAO in a single trade, and even add to our profits. This trade brought August's total P&L to 16.2%. All the trades you see here were reviewed one by one after they were closed and have contributed to cwRadar's development. It is only after reviewing dozens of previous trades that we were able to achieve these results before deciding to list the trades here. From this point forward, we will thoroughly examine exactly why cwRadar moved the stop point and take action if necessary. However, from this point on, we respect cwRadar's decision and won't look back at COTI. That's all for today. Stay well.